Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm gonna be showing you guys my updated eyebrow routine. So I have oily brows, so I always go in with my Phillips milk of magnesia just to put on my brows. If you don't have oily brows, you don't have to do this, or if you have a face primer, you can go ahead and use that instead, but I always use this because it works best for me. And yeah, so I'm just putting that all over my brows and I'm just waiting for them to dry. And I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline ultra thin eyebrow pencil, and I really like this. I used to use the eyebrow pencil from my beauty supply store, but I decided to switch it up a bit and use this one, and I love it. I'm gonna be sticking to it unless I find something a little bit better. Okay, so I'm gonna be lining my brows underneath, and I line as close as possible to my natural hair. So if you guys are familiar with my channel, I have thin eyebrows, as you guys can see. It's not that I don't have any hair, but I have thin eyebrows. All right, so for the top, when I'm lining it, I do not line it all. I don't start the lining from all the way out to the front of my brows. I kind of take it in a little bit, you know, just so it can be natural. You don't want to have box brows or anything like that. Okay, that's a no box brows. All right, so I'm just going in with the pencil and I'm just lining my brows, so my brows will not look identical at all. So I mean, they are sisters and not twins, and even twins have things, you know, that are not similar. So then I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna fill in my brows with the pencil. What I like about this pencil is that it's not too harsh, not too heavy or anything like that. It just makes your brows look super natural, and I like that. Something got caught in my eyes, guys, sorry about that. Okay, so for the front part, you kind of want to draw like strokes, like hair like strokes, just so it looks natural. But I'm gonna go in with my concealer just to make it look a little bit more natural, so you guys will see that. So that's what they're looking like. So I'm gonna go in with my Juvia Place concealer in, I think, the shade 10, and I'm just gonna use my flat brush to clean up the edges underneath. So it all depends on the look that you're going for. If you're gonna wear makeup, then you can use a lot under your brows and just bring it down to your eyelids. If not, then you just need a little amount just to clean the bottom part. You kind of don't want a halo brow. You don't want it to be so obvious that, hey, I had concealer under my brows. You don't want that at all, okay? So I'm going in with my, well, this is just a brush. I don't know what kind of brush it is. And I'm just cleaning up the area, just kind of blending out the concealer because I don't like when it's harsh. I'm just gonna be honest, okay? So for the top of my brows, I'm not using the same concealer. I'm going in with my what is this, LA Girl concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze, and this is my skin shade basically. So if I was supposed to buy foundation, this is the shade I'll buy it in because it's like a perfect match. So with this, I'm just gonna use it to clean up the top of my brows. As you guys see, it's like it's barely there, and you kind of want that. You don't want halo brows, okay? You don't want halo brows at all. So to get the hair like strokes at the front of my brows, because my pencil did not do that at this time, I'm going in with some of the Juvia Place concealer, and I'm just using the brush on my pencil to just lightly go through the front so that I can get some hair like strokes, you know. So it's gonna look a little natural because I want my brows to look natural. I don't want them to look like they did before my first tutorial. So this is why this is an updated tutorial. So I'm gonna do the same to the other brow, and this is what they are looking like. I'm going in with my elf, I think this is a brow gel from elf. I don't remember the color because I have been using this for a very long time. I think the label is washed off. Okay, the label is gone, guys, but I really use this to set my brows, and it just kind of add some deeper color to my brows without me using a black pencil like I did in my last tutorial. So this one is a little bit easier and it makes my brows look a little bit more natural, and I really like that, and that's what I'm going for, and that's why this is my updated look. If you want to have natural brows, not looking boxy or having halo brows, and you can try this, okay? So my face is all done and you guys are up close and personal, and that's what my brows are looking like. I like them. Let me know what you guys think down below. As I said, I do have thin brows, and if I do not do anything to my brows, I look a little weird, okay? So I like to do that. So that's what they look like, guys. I hope you like it. Let me know, leave your comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me when you like the video and engage with me. So let me know what you like. Yeah guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to be the most authentic you. Keep staying clean. Bye. See you in the next one.
The obvious reasons true love is no longer in season. Who can you trust anymore? All they do is walk out the door. Eventually you